Imagine a single plant that can revolutionize your health, beauty, and daily routine. A secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Welcome to the world of okra water. Stay with us as we uncover the jaw-dropping, life-enhancing uses of okra water. You won't believe what this humble vegetable can do? Stay tuned, as you will know the benefits of okra, from its health benefits to enhancing your beauty and also to prevent aging. Let's dive in. Health benefits: lower blood sugar levels. Okra water helps stabilize blood sugar levels due to its high fiber content and ability to slow sugar absorption in the intestines. By soaking okra slices overnight, you can create a powerful drink that combats diabetes. The soluble fiber in okra, called mucilage, slows down sugar absorption, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Digestive health: the high fiber content in okra aids in digestion and relieves constipation. Okra water acts as a natural remedy for constipation and promotes a healthy gut. Its high fiber content aids digestion and ensures smooth bowel movements. Anti-inflammatory properties: okra contains antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, which reduce inflammation. Packed with antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, okra water helps reduce inflammation, boosting overall health and well-being. Beauty and skincare: glowing skin. The vitamins and minerals in okra water nourish the skin, giving it a radiant glow. Rich in vitamins A and C, okra water provides essential nutrients that give your skin a natural, radiant glow. Hair care: okra water can be used as a hair rinse to add shine and strength to hair. A DIY okra water hair rinse can make your hair shinier and stronger. Simply rinse your hair with it after shampooing for lustrous locks. Anti-aging: the antioxidants in okra water help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Uncover the anti-aging properties of okra water. Its antioxidants help reduce wrinkles and fine lines, giving you youthful, supple skin. Weight loss and detox: boost metabolism. Okra water can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism. Okra water aids in weight loss by boosting your metabolism. Drink it regularly to enhance your body's fat-burning capability. Okra water helps detoxify the body by flushing out toxins and improving liver health. Detoxify your body with okra water. It helps flush out toxins and supports liver health, ensuring your body functions at its best. Immune system support: rich in vitamin C. Okra water is packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Fighting illness: regular consumption of okra water can help you stay healthy and prevent illnesses. By regularly consuming okra water, you can help prevent illnesses and maintain your health year-round. Cooking: use okra water in your recipes to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Incorporate okra water into your recipes to boost flavor and nutritional value. It works wonders in soups, stews, and even smoothies. Gardening: leftover okra water can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. Don't waste that leftover okra water. Use it as a natural fertilizer for your plants to help them thrive and grow. Recent studies have shown the numerous benefits of okra water. Scientists and health experts are beginning to recognize its potential. From boosting your health to enhancing your beauty regimen, okra water is the hidden gem you've been waiting for. So why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out.